Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the pen slide in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new pen slide. There are two identical pen slides used to support the snack pan in the fresh food compartment. If the snack pan won't glide in and out, it's time to check and replace the pen slide if needed. To get it apart, we need to open the fresh food door. Now I'm going to remove this snack pan, pull it out, lift up, and take it off. Next I'm going to remove the glass shelf, lift it up, and disengage the hooks at the back. Alright, let's bring it to the table. Next I'm going to remove this top pen slide. There are two identical ones. They are removed and installed exactly the same way. Alright, so this slide is held in place with these three tabs, and there's one more locking tab right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press this locking tab with a small flat blade screwdriver and slide it this way. And there you go. This is the old pen slide next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is our new slide, and we are going to insert these three tabs into the three cutouts. Press it in, and we're going to slide it right here until this pin locks. And now we're going to install it into the fridge. I'm going to place these rear hooks into the slots and lower it down. And we're going to install this snack pan in, put it on the rail, and slide it. And now we can close the fresh food door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.